So I am going to try out this kind of bread maker machine, and it's not mine, it's my auntie's, and she said she didn't like it because the bread was too solid. Like, it wasn't soft enough compared to Hong Kong bread. I think Hong Kong bread is too soft, and it stays soft for a very, very long time. Like, it doesn't get really stale. So this machine is actually really heavy, so I'm guessing when it needs it needs the weight. And then inside, this is the heater ring here, and that's what heats up and cooks the bread. And then there's meant to be a bowl here, so let me show you. The bowl is here, and you put it in. I'm not going to put it in because it's a bit wet. And then there's a lock and unlock, and here are the ingredients. We have bread flour, we have dried milk powder, we have active dried yeast, butter, which I'm quite surprised, salt and sugar, and there's going to be water, of course, and the book actually comes with like different recipes and stuff, and then this is the recipe. And with this machine you can apparently control the crust control. So yeah, I want to go for regular to see how it feels and taste. So this is what it looks like. Put it in, then you lock it so it doesn't move, and even if you push it down it pops back up, so it just makes a difference. And this is the kneading hook and the mixing hook. Then you put it in, and then this will turn around and mix the ingredients and knead the dough too. And I'm gonna start putting the ingredients in, but it says you have to follow how it is in the instructions. So it's actually liquid first, and the last ingredient is actually yeast. So the yeast doesn't touch the water. It states don't touch. So yeah. So I put all the ingredients in. I've put in water, flour, sugar, salt, yeast, butter, and milk powder. So this is going to be basic bread. I'm just going to try and see what it's like, and then now I'm going to plug it in, and this takes 3 hours which is a very long time, but yeah, we'll see how it tastes, because this is just the convenience of just don't need to look after it, knead it, mix it and stuff, and bake it. When I'm gonna compare it to kind of like if I've made bread and the texture and stuff. So yeah, the only difference with this one is there's actually butter in it, which is quite interesting, so I'm gonna see how that's gonna turn out. So yeah, I'm gonna plug it in and start. So the bread process is I'm making basic bread, regular and regular, just to see what it's like, and it started at 350 and it's been 2 minutes, so I'm guessing the heating element inside is heating up, I guess, I don't know. And that's the ingredients inside, so, and that's the yeast right in the middle, and the little clumps at the side is butter to cut it up. So yeah, that's all it was. So I'll see this in 4 hours time, basically. Oh, really? I literally just came over and I was like, oh, it's kneading, but you can see it's in a bowl now, and the setting is on, oh, I just missed it, it's on rise now. It was literally mixing, so now it's on rise. So it is a little bit warmer now, so I guess it is working. It smells weird, but okay. The bread. The bread is done, and it's in keep warm mode. It can keep warm for an hour. If you have a look inside, you can see the bread, and I already know that my yeast, oh crap, it's hot. I need to turn it off. Okay, I turned it off. I'm gonna unplug it as well, just in case. And I think my yeast is a bit dead, so we're gonna have a look. Oh, it's really hot. I'm gonna use a cloth to open and see the bread. Oh, it actually cracked a bit, but okay. take it out. Wire rack. So it didn't really it didn't really risen that well. So the bread is turned out right now, and the hook is actually still inside, but it's hollow and it's risen quite weirdly, and some of it didn't get mixed in properly. Okay, waiting for this to cool down, and then open this up to get the blade hook out and try out the bread. So the bread has finished and it hasn't fully cooled down, but went to try it. I think it's because the yeast wasn't good. It didn't really rise, so it's actually really dense. But this bit is really soft. But this bit, the crust bit, like if you listen, is actually quite good. It's actually quite nice, the crust. I like the crust more than the actual bread inside. You can imagine one of these like with soup and stuff. But yeah, this is the bread. I tried the bread machine again. This time I bought new yeast because I think the yeast was kind of out of like dead, and oh my god, it's actually hard, and it's actually risen quite a lot, and it smells actually okay. I'm gonna take this out and then cool it down on the wire rack. So I've taken out the bread and listen to it. It sounds hollow, but the dough hook is still inside, which is okay. And I'm gonna wait till it cools down, and I'm gonna cut it open. I'm gonna turn it actually, because I want it to. Honestly, so this is the bread. The bread has cooled, and I've just cut it, and it's hollow, and it's actually a lot softer than last time. Still warm. I'm gonna try a bit now. Tastes alright actually. Tastes like there's a little bit of cinnamon in it, which is weird, but yeah, I'm gonna put some butter on and try that.